Hi. I think I'm just like so giddy today. You know, I just took some hemp oil tincture from urthleaf.com. Urthleaf was so kind enough to send me their what is this called? 200 milligram, 200 mg CBD oil ceramic cell disposable vape. I'm reading it and it says relax on it. So relax. I want to relax, you know, chill out. So this is from the earth, hashtag from the earth. URTH. You could check 100% THC free, so that's cool. You could check them out at www.urthleaf.com. So that's www.urthleaf.com. Let's see, let's read this. The description. The Urth Leaf disposable vape pen is compact, convenient, and satisfying with a sleek look and finish. Our premium CBD contains no THC, is extracted with CO2 rather than toxic solvents, and sits inside a glass cartridge, eliminating any plastic leach or unpleasant chemical taste. Each pen contains natural hemp terpenes. I always have trouble saying that. I hope I'm saying it right. If I don't, then I'm sorry. And 200 mgs of pure CBD isolate. That's it. Ingredients: CBD isolate, natural hemp terpenes. Awesome. Suggested use: simply inhale and repeat as needed for natural relief. That's simple enough, right? Your pen is ready to use right from the box. No recharging or refilling required. All right, let's try this thing. I'm feeling good from that tincture. Oh my gosh. What is this? I took the Urth Leaf tincture, hemp oil, 1,800 mgs, and I felt it like straight away, like 3 minutes. I was like, chill. Blanket thrown on me, then blanket, all that stuff, walking on air. Yeah, just chilling. It was cool. I enjoyed it though. Check that out. I'm gonna put all the links down in the description box below. So here's how it looks. This is the pen. Looks cool. Urth Leaf, see that? It says Urth Leaf on it, and this is ceramic, and I got the oil, and it has a little cap over the top. Ooh, look at that little cap. All right, time to try. Okay guys, listen, you guys are making fun of me at the first CBD video I did. Listen, I don't appreciate you guys telling me that I blow weak clouds, that what else did you guys say? That I don't know how to inhale and I'm not inhaling deep enough. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff that I don't even remember now. I was just like, I'm gonna need this CBD stuff from anxiety, from all the upsetting comments you guys say to me. You guys say, some of you guys say so mean comments. It's not even funny. I just ignore it, okay? Because I only respond to the good comments. If you're saying bad comments, I'm not gonna heart you and I'm not gonna reply to you because I don't feed into that negativity. If you're gonna do positive comments and positive stuff, I'm gonna heart you and respond back to you and all that stuff. I'm just letting you know, because my first CBD oil video, you're lucky that I don't have like a weak like self-esteem or whatever, because I would have just stopped doing videos right then and there. It was just like, now I know how people feel, but it's whatever. On that note, let me try this, okay? Let me try this. Was that weak? Ooh. Woo! Wow. That's interesting. I got lipstick on this. Wow. It's very, very earthy, very light and earthy. Is that better? Does this light up when I inhale it? It's blue or white or whatever. It's really cool. This tastes really good and light. This almost reminds me of the Americana brand, but This is good. This is earthy and just like the Americana brand. I love the Americana brand, and this one's really, really, really good too. It's basically the same. I enjoy this. How many puffs did I take? Listen, I don't want to go crazy, alright? I don't want to keep on puffing on this. I don't want to keep puffing on this and just chill myself out and just be laying on the bed looking in the ceiling all day. I don't know if that's what you do, or I'll act silly. I don't even know. But trying this out is really delicious. It's light, it's earthy, and not overwhelming. So let me do a sideways one. I am inhaling, okay? Let me try again. That was a deep one. Sorry, that was a deep inhale of the vape. Let me refresh what I'm saying. I'm getting silly now. Come on. I got lipstick all over it, but it wipes off well. Ooh, ooh. I feel like more blankets are being thrown on me. More light blankets are being thrown on me. Like, chill. I wonder, so, oh, some of you asked me if like this gives you munchies. It depends. It depends. Yeah, so I really, really enjoy this. Thank you so much, Urth Leaf. I really appreciate it. I seriously do. You have some great products. I'm telling you. If you want to check out this Urth Leaf Vape Pen, then go on their website. I'll put all the information down below, all the previous videos I did with all my other CBD stuff. It's making me feel really good. I really enjoy it. Like, it's fun. And I guess I feel good. Like, I feel like, I literally feel like I don't need that massage anymore. You know, I feel good. It feels pretty good. Thank you so much, Urth Leaf. Thank you so much for letting me try out your products. I really, really enjoy them. Oh my gosh. Let's just take one more hit for the road, okay? There you go. It's cool. Everything's all cool. Alright, so check out Urth Leaf. They're pretty cool. This is a good company. Very light, very earthy, and not overwhelming. I absolutely love it, enjoy it. Thank you so much, Urth Leaf. Thank you so much. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to me because I love it. I love you all, and I appreciate all the love you guys give me. And like this video if you enjoyed it, and that's it. I'll see you later. Bye.